Good morning. Happy, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one up today. Happy Wednesday. I did another video. I'm Erica, LOL Beauty and Reviews. Welcome to my channel. I'm wearing my I Love Someone with Autism shirt because I believe it's April 2nd is World Autism Awareness Day. And I wanted you to know that you could get shirts like this at Walmart for under 20 bucks. I believe under 10. So, yeah, I just recently got Eric 2 more. He's my little hero. But we are going to go ahead and do a makeup look using this is what I got for Christmas from Jason. It's Juvia's Place I Live, I Love. And it has some really pretty blue shades. I may have to get a different palette out to go with this. Because I don't really want to use the reds. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Like, this is a green turquoise color. And then this is the blue. See? They're very pretty, but I don't think I want to use them together on the same look, but I'm probably going to. But I want to put like a blending transition shade. And I don't want to use the red sparkle also, but I'm going to show you these two. There's one shimmer and there's the other shimmer. Those are so pretty. Let me show you. The red is just pure glitter. Okay. Yeah, the red is pure glitter. The shimmer shade for red. And that is a little bit patchy, believe it or not. I didn't think that was going to happen. Let's go ahead and rinse our hand off and see if that red does better. Red is really hard to do. It does better with it damp. Keep that in mind. I'm going to use this. We're also going to use the eye primer that came with it because blue shades sometimes stain my lids. So we're going to use those. I hope you enjoy this content. I'm going to be recording another video, so you'll see I already recorded the face makeup. As you can see, it's already done. And I do want to let y'all know, let me know about the sound because I have the new iPhone 13 Pro. I had to wait. That's why you haven't seen any videos from me a lot lately, because I had to wait for it to come in because the other one was acting up. Like, I still have the microphone plugged in. Let me know if it's too loud. Maybe we need to go back to without the microphone. And I am so sorry I'm talking fast. I recently quit drinking Diet Cokes again. I'm not quitting drinking them. I'm still going to drink them every once in a while. I just quit having them in the house. So now I have tea. And I'm drinking a hot tea in the morning with my oatmeal, then water, and then tea. And I'm thinking it's a lot of caffeine, so I may be having a problem sleeping. But besides the color being great with this, I have to also check the sound. So I didn't want to not record. It's like pouring outside, y'all. Okay, this is like shade 2. Let's see how... Ew. Okay, maybe I have to shake it. This is new, so it shouldn't be bad. I've never opened it. Look what it did. It, like, put a lot of liquid on there. So we're going to take this. Alright. Let's see if it stops pouring liquid. Huh. It's a little juicy, but I got it in December, and it says it's good for 12 months. And I literally just opened it. So, anyways, we'll try that. And let's grab, we're going to grab this NYX Ultimate Queen palette, so we could use it for, like, the shade we were talking about. Okay, we're gonna use this to put it's just like a little tiny concealer brush, sort of. We're gonna use that to lay the color down. I'm trying to be careful not to get it anywhere but on the eye. And I'm also trying to make sure that it's evenly distributed, because sometimes when I put eye primers on that are like this, the shadows get stuck in certain spots and they don't blend well, which is why I don't use eyeshadow primer a lot. But we will see. I also don't like my eyelids to stain. So we take what we have. We're going to go ahead and use this light color here first as a transition shade. And it's a good way to test what the primer's going to do. And it looks like it might do what I thought it might do, which is make lines. We're going to leave that alone for a minute. We're going to go ahead and take the bluish shade. And we're going to start here. And we're going to try to put that in the crease as well as we can. I'm going to start on the outer edge and pull it through. Your Autism Look doesn't have to be fancy. It could just be using a blue eyeshadow, or they have, like, this shirt has all these different colors. If you could take all these colors and put them in one eye look, more power to you. I would love to see that. My little sister is literally 9 years old. I'm not sure what she's going to pick, but I think the one she picked the first year was fairly simple. But I can't remember. And if people say, hey, you shouldn't be wearing blue eyeshadow, it doesn't work for you, and tell them why you're wearing it. I have a sister, an ex-in-law, I mean, that I had a Facebook picture up where I was wearing blue eyeshadow. I put it up for autism awareness, and she had a fit that blue eyeshadow doesn't work with my skin tone. Why am I doing it? Blah, blah, blah. Makeup is a way to express yourself. Is it the best color for my skin tone? Probably not. Is there a big problem where you should throw a fit about someone else's eyeshadow? No. Sorry. Move on to the next person, because I'm not listening. Eyeshadow and makeup is to express yourself within some limits, I'm sure. But some people put some big colorful looks on with these colors that you look at and you're like, that is such a pretty look. I never look at it like, oh my God, those colors don't look good on that person. No, they're expressing themselves. Come on, get a grip, people. Sorry for my rant. Also, I didn't feel good yesterday, so I was sleeping a lot. So I probably have excess energy. I've been organizing the shelves and the cabinets in the kitchen, working my way towards fixing the kitchen up. I'm going to blend this again. Only on the edges, so it's not so harsh. I know you can't really see it a lot, like right there. For some reason, it keeps disappearing over the eye. We'll fix that once we put the shimmer on. It looks really pretty, I think. You could see it, and the shimmer is going to go up. So let's see, which shimmer do we want to use? This one looks a little light. This one, they're both light. I think I'm going to use this one. It's like the darker one. Let me show you this palette again. I think I'm going to use this one and like use that one in a different aspect of the color. Look, and oh my gosh, if I am talking too fast, please let me know. Maybe I need to start recording before I have caffeine. But I'm also a mom. that has some stuff that she needs to do before she can get on here in the morning. Like, Eric takes medications. If you want a rundown of my life as a mother with a child with special needs, let me know. I do not mind sitting here talking about it in a little video. If you have questions about it, please ask, because that's the whole point of this giveaway also, is to inform people. Maybe you have friends that they had a child and that child has special needs now and they don't really come to things, so you want to know how to make them feel more welcome, or how to be able to include them in moments. Maybe it's a family member, like I can't go to a lot of Christmases or Thanksgivings or Easters, and if we do go, we don't stay long because Eric can't deal with a lot of people. Maybe you need to know how we deal with that. We don't like to take away from, like, my little sister's birthday party's coming up. We're going to go before anybody else is there. And let her open the present and spend some time with Eric. And leave when people start to arrive, because Eric can't deal with a lot of people. It's just a matter of taking the time to adjust to the schedule to him. You want a friend to come to a birthday party, but their child has special needs and can't deal with crowds. Maybe make it available. Whoa, that is a very good camera. Y'all were actually able to see, I don't know if y'all could have seen it, but I thought in the camera, the shadow going across. This is the darker shade. That's like a more turquoise shade. And I'm just putting it on the outer corner to kind of deepen that outer corner. Alright. I'm going to take some of this shade we have here that we put in as the balancing shade. Do that. Let's grab the Real Her Ultimate Glow Kit. And we're going to take this little brush here. We're going to grab this. And we're going to use that on the inner corner. And on the outer edge of the brow bone. I haven't done anything for my lips yet, so let's go ahead and use this Dragon Beauty. I love this shade. I'm going to try something. Let me see. Do I have my gloss up here? No. I like this gloss. Let's grab this one though. We're going to take an eyeliner. I want to take a blue eyeliner for under the eye. I'm going to take this Too Faced, put it on. And we're going to let the lips plump up. Wow. It's like really dark outside. While we're waiting for the lips to plump up, we're going to go ahead and use this Ulta Beauty Turquoise Glitter. It looks like that. We're going to use it on the eyes. And I've noticed that my eyes are getting kind of dry on the bottom, which is probably the primer I used earlier. I thought I missed the under eyes, but I must have put it there. I used a mattifying primer. Let's see if we could take, and I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use some of this e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Mist Spray. I'm going to spray it on the sponge. And I am just going to try to add some moisture to that under eye. and that's working. Since I had eyeshadows on my fingers and I wasn't sure if it would come off, because look, I don't know if y'all could see that. I have all kinds of shiny stuff on my hands. So I figured the best way to do it without using the body heat would be to use the moisturizer. We're going to go in with the Idol Lancome mascara. I've been loving this. The eye look kind of looks like something I should be putting more blush or bronzer on, but I kind of want it to be the statement of the look. Alright. I love this eyeshadow, this mascara. Let me clean that up. Now we got to take, let's go ahead and put the lipstick on. We're going to use the Dragon Beauty lip liner. You know what I like about this, and I haven't said it because to me some of these lip liners are overpriced. Look how much you get. That is a Ace Beauty one. This is NYX. I haven't sharpened it. That's Ace Beauty. Where's my Kylie? I know I have a Kylie one. This is a Kylie one. Look how much you're getting. That's a pretty good deal. I think it's over 20 bucks though. Alright. And this is the extreme plumping that I used from Too Faced. This is Real Her. Is this a light color? No, that's dark. I want like a lighter nude shade. You know what? Let's use this Mellow Cosmetics. I love their lipsticks. I have a code with them below, I believe. They're based in Australia. And we're going to pull the hair down. Shoosh it up. I have some texture spray, but I'm trying not to use too many products. Except for maybe dry shampoo if I need it while I'm training my hair. So, this is the final look. Just a simple little autism look. As I say, because it's like it matches the shirt and it's not too out there. It's not a big puzzle piece on my face. Now, if you are talented enough to do that, feel free to do it. But don't forget, the giveaway ends on the 15th. Spread that awareness. And I will see you in the next video. Love y'all.